Hey guys, it's Tamisha from Toolbox Divas, and today I'm going to show you how to make a simple side table for your outdoor area for just around $10. Alright, let's get dirty. For this project, we're going to be using 2x2 furring strips and 1x3x8. We're going to start off with the top plate, building this table from the top down. Then we're going to attach the second level of the top part of the table, leaving room for the legs on all four sides. Now let's attach the legs. I like to pre-drill the screw into the board before I try and attach it to the actual table. It makes it a lot easier. And I recommend using 2 screws per legs to ensure that it's fully secure. Now place the 1x3 17-inch boards into the table and space them out and attach them together. Use 2 16.5-inch boards. Using 1-inch corner brackets, you want to attach the tabletop to the side frames of the table. I wanted my tabletop to be recessed from the top, so I placed a 1/4-inch board under the tabletop before I actually secured it to the side frames. Next, I took 2 17-inch 2x2 boards and attached them as leg supports to either sides of the table. Finally, you want to attach the middle support beam for the bottom of the table. And now you have a nice outdoor table for around $10. So I'd like to hear what you think about this tutorial. Would you like to see more inexpensive DIYs? And what color would you actually paint or finish your outdoor table? So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to this channel. And don't be shy. Follow us on social media at Toolbox Divas on Facebook and Instagram. All right, y'all. Till next time.